Hi everyone, welcome to Mr. Homeowner's Handyman Show. I'm Mrs. Homeowner.
And I'm Mr. Homeowner.
We bought our first house 15 years ago. Our journey began with refinishing our hardwood floors. A project that should have cost us $4,000 cost us $300 to do ourselves. And since then, we've done many more DIY and have saved a lot of money in doing so.
We'll start with the basics of tools to building a barn and everything in between. Our goal is to take you from buying a house to becoming a homeowner. Hello folks, I'm Mr. Homeowner, and today I'm going to take your tools from this to this, and a quick easy tip. So when you get a new pair of pliers, this will work for any type of tool, linesman, diagonal pliers. And the only difference between these two is one's high leverage. And you can open these. It's difficult. And if you had to do that all day working, which maybe most of you won't use these all day long, if you do find yourself in that situation, or if you're a professional, say an electrician, this will be one of your best friends. And you want these babies to go just like that. And the reason this one doesn't open is because when they're shipped with a grease or some kind of anti-seize, something to keep it from rusting, rust preventative. The cure for it is to take something like a Millset gun cleaner, which is made right here in Ohio. That's where we're at, Mr. Homeowner. We're Ohio folks, and this is made by some of our neighbors. These are also made in America, not in Ohio, but made in the USA. Klein. So if you can see, as I work this tool back and forth, that grease is going to start coming out of there until it's nice and smooth. Once you're riding on the actual bearing, wipe some of that grease off there, give it a little bit more, some fresh oil. This is an oil, a cleaner and an oil. So as the cleaner evaporates, the oil's left behind to lubricate. And this can be done with any type of oil. You can use WD-40, any one of your penetrating oils. Just make sure it is safe for this grip. These grips, I assume they're oil resistant. However, I'm just assuming that. There may be something you pour on them as a cleaner that would eat the grips up. Gotta be careful of that. Nice thing about a gun cleaner oil is most of them are made for partially plastic guns. You know, for example, like a Glock would be nice and polymer. Now, as you can see, they're starting to get a little bit better. Now I've got my trusty old flannel shirt here that has been cut into a rag. And then just that amount of time, they're ready to work. Now, don't tire your hand out all day. And you'll be able to cut plenty of wires. These ones are for cutting the big wires. Cut the extra long handle. If you like these videos, hit like, share, subscribe. If you subscribe to the channel, it is free. It doesn't cost you anything. It's raining real hard.